Okay, this is to answer a question about converting to text. There are two ways you can, let's just go to a blank page for a second. And I just want to just put it out there. There are two types of documents that you have in your reMarkable. Okay, and the PDFs you can create yourself or you can purchase from a third party. So this is a PDF that I'm using right now because this is one of our notebooks in the to-do set. And then there's the PNGs, which are files that are not as easy to get onto your device. You have to have a little bit of extra expertise to do that because reMarkable have sort of made it exclusive to do that. So these are what reMarkable calls templates. Okay, reMarkable calls these documents, and they're PDF documents. And so the facility to convert to text, convert handwriting to text is not present in a PDF. But here's what happens. Here's the magic of it all. Let's go back to our index and let us go to a page with some text on it. So let's pick the planner page. It's got some text on it. You will see here that you cannot convert this page, the writing on it, to text. So here's the workaround. Add a note page, and this is a PNG sheet added into the PDF now. And you will see now, look at this, now there's an option to convert the notes to text. So what do I do? Now, if I want to convert this information, what I do is I go to the select tool. I like to make it a wee bit smaller so it's easier to grab. Then I start here, grab it all, give it a second. Yep, copy it. I'm going to go to the next page, the blank page, the page that reMarkable recognizes. And I'm going to paste it. I'm going to try and, can I make it smaller? Yep, I'm going to make it smaller. Right, I'm going to go back to just to click off it. Now I'm going to say, can you convert it to text, please? Now, down here, you can see it's, converting. And look, planners, light, daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, so it got that bit wrong, but dark, monthly, I've got to do the dark daily and the dark weekly. So some of it's right, some of it's wrong. I gave it a pretty tough job because of all my little doodles around it all, right? My stars and all the rest. So I think it did a really good job actually in converting that to there. So I know that's a 3-step process, but it is a way in a PDF where you can still convert your text. Now, if you've got pages and pages of writing and notes, then you may not want to make your notes in a PDF. You might want to make them in a notebook that's made in a reMarkable notebook. I'm showing you this because of another reason. So you may want to, if I close the document and I just add a notebook and you use, let's just say use one storyboard. In here, if you do a lot of writing, it will convert everything without you having to do that 3-step process. So it's something for you to consider where you're going to write all your notes if you have a lot of notes to convert to text. Okay, I hope that helps. Would love you to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. It all helps the channel and get the news out there to others that we can help too. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.